Right here in hand, as you can see, I have the Nike Killshot 2 Premiums in the Tiempo style. So this sneaker right here, as I said in the name, it's supposed to be a premium version of the Nike Killshot. In my opinion, it's not, but I'll get into that later. This Killshot is inspired by the Nike Tiempo soccer cleat or soccer boot. Pretty much this collection is taking that Tiempo boot and bringing it over to other Nike classics. This right here is the Killshot, but they also did this Tiempo style makeover to the Nike Cortez, which you saw in one of my previous videos if you are a fan of this channel. Like I said, this sneaker is supposed to be premium, but it is not. Yet some aspects do look really, really good, but look at this toe box. It looks really bad. Like, this toe box looks disgusting. I can't really give that a positive review there. You know, there are some flaws here and there, some dirt on the shoe, a bunch of dust. I don't really, I like the way the shoe looks, but for these to be called the premium sneaker and then not be premium, it's like, doesn't really make sense. You didn't need to put premium in the name, but you did, and these are not. But yeah, they look great. You know, if you know anything about Tiempos or that style, you can tell it has a little flap right here. This flap is removable, which I do like, but I will not be removing these because the whole point of me buying these is the flap. The tongue underneath it is white, looks really good. Yeah, this is a shoe I'll kind of dress up a bit and be able to put on no matter where I'm going and not be afraid to get these dirty, because these are not very expensive, nor do these really hold any value, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, in the back, you have the swoosh, you have the 72. I'm pretty sure the 72 represents the year that Nike really started getting into soccer cleats. I think it was, if I'm not mistaken, 1972, with the first soccer cleat kind of releasing in 71, 72. But yeah, these look really great, you know, except for the flaws that I did mention, the dirt and the dust, so on and so forth. We have a super glossy synthetic material on the upper. You know, we have that contrast stitching in white. These look really good. I just hope, I just wish the quality and craftsmanship was there as well. But definitely will be rocking these, you know, dressing them up a little bit. Usually you see the Killshot, the regular version around New York City with the businessman going to work. But yeah, I'm gonna bring these up, put them on feet, and see how I can style these.